As Jesus sat at the Passover table,
Kot je Jezus rekel ob pashalni večeri,
he got up and he took a bowl of water
je vstal je in vzel skledo vode
and he began to wash his disciples' feet.
in je začel umivati noge svojim učencem.
And Peter said, "Not I, Lord."
In Peter je rekel, ne jaz, Gospod.
And Jesus said, "You don't understand what I'm doing, but you will understand."
In Jezus je rekel, ne razumeš tega, kar počnem, ampak boš razumel.
Jesus was giving them an example of being a servant.
Jezus jim je dal zgled, kako biti služabnik.
Jesus came as a servant king.
Jezus je prišel kot kralj, ki služi.
And the more we love others,
In bolj, ko ljubimo druge
and we serve them the way Jesus serves,
in jim služimo na način, kakršen Jezus služi,
the more authority is released into our lives from heaven.
več avtoritete je sproščeno v naša življenja iz nebes.
The kings of this world rule over people in force and power,
Kralji tega sveta vladajo nad ljudmi z močjo,
but Jesus rules through serving.
ampak Jezus vlada skozi služenje.
So whoever would be first
Zato, da kdorkoli bo prvi,
must be a servant of all.
mora biti služabnik vsem.
So it's a great thing to want God to use your life.
Zato je zelo dobro, da si želeti, da Bog uporabi naše življenja.
The Lord can give us practical ways of serving others.
In Gospod nam lahko daje praktične načine, kako služiti drugim.
And that starts in our home.
In to se začne v našem domu.
It starts with our husband, our wife,
Začne se z našim možem ali ženo,
and with our
z
children,
našimi otroki,
with people on our job.
z ljudmi, ki so na naših službah.
We can ask the Lord, how can I serve others today?
In lahko vprašamo Gospoda, kako naj jaz služim drugim danes.
How can I show them the love of Jesus today?
Kako jim lahko danes pokažem Božjo ljubezen.
Oh, hallelujah. And as you serve, Jesus will promote you.
In medtem, ko služite, vas bo Jezus poveličal.
Because if we are able to serve with Him, one day we will reign with Him.
Zato, ker če smo zmožni en dan služiti za njim, bomo nekega dne vladali z njim.